For this craft, a majority of my items came from the Dollar Tree. I have this ring. It's a 14-inch ring and some artificial greenery. I used 2 sprays of the greenery. I'm going to cut them starting with the longest one that comes in the bundle, and I'm going to attach it to the wreath ring using floral wire. I started with floral wire at the top, and then I did a few throughout the spray to hold it against the metal ring. I'm going to take a second long piece as well, and I'm going to do the same thing. And then I'm going to fill in the bottom with a leftover piece from one of the original sprays. So you're basically just going to group together any pieces that's going to give you nice full coverage. I have these artificial flowers, and I'm going to start gluing them around the wreath, and I'm focusing on the areas that we use the floral wire to attach the greenery to the ring. So that's going to hide the floral wire. And I'm just using hot glue to hold them in place, and that worked just fine. I have this birdhouse. I believe I got it from Michael's. I'm going to poke a hole into the back of the birdhouse. I'm actually going to poke 2 holes, and I'm going to string the floral wire through the center hole and then through the back 2 holes that we poked into the birdhouse. And I'm going to use the floral wire to attach it to the wreath ring. Next, I have this little wood bird, and I'm going to use my yellow Sharpie paint marker, and I'm going to color the little wood bird yellow. And then I'm going to glue that on the front of the birdhouse. Next, I have some bird nests. I believe I got these from Hobby Lobby in a pack of 3 or 4. And I'm going to string the floral wire through the bottom of the nest, and I'm going to use that to wrap around the ring to adhere the nest to the ring. And I place these randomly throughout the ring. Again, the floral wire is very helpful for adhering things to this thin ring, and it's going to be much stronger than the hot glue. I have these half wood beads. I'm going to use a total of 7. I'm placing them on my painter's tape. This works well to help hold it down. And I'm painting 3 of them in this blue Sharpie marker that I have, and then the remaining 4 in a gray. I'm going to allow that to dry, and then I'm going to glue these down into the nest. And it looks like you can see the little eggs peeking out of the nest. I thought this was a great substitution if you do not have mini eggs. And I filled them all into the nests. And there you go, nice and simple. I love the outcome. Thank you for watching. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, wood cutouts, and our monthly subscription can all be found at chalkupfancy.com. Have a great day.